There is no denying that climate change poses a serious threat to our civilization as a whole. If we do nothing now, the consequences will be disastrous. We are capable of bringing about the reforms required to safeguard the environment via innovation, education, and adherence to our climate obligations. Extreme weather patterns and rising sea levels are two examples of the swift and catastrophic effects of climate change brought on by human activity. If left unchecked, it has the potential to reverse the gains made in development, cause large-scale migrations, cause instability and conflict, endangering the stability of our planet.
The Philippines faces significant air and marine pollution issue, particularly in metropolitan area with high car industrial activities. The World Health Organization 2022 warns that excessive fine particulate matter can negatively impact the agriculture, ecosystem, and respiratory disorder. Climate change is also a concern with rising temperature and sea level, causing increased pollution. Marine pollution results from excessive plastic consumption and ineffective recycling pose risk to the marine environment and fishing communities. Yan, so magtatanong po ako ng dalawang question sa inyo. Unang question, sa tingin niyo po, ano ang dahilan kung bakit nagiinit ang panahon natin ngayon?
Siguro po ang dahilan ng panahon natin na sa ngayon na nag-iinit dahil po sa mga lugar na wala na po mga tanim na halaman o mga puno na tumutubo. Kaya nagkaroon po ng tag-init ang yung mga naging building na po ang mga lupa sa lugar natin, wala na hong mga puno.
Sa tingin ko kung bakit nag-init na yung panahon ngayon kasi nawawala na yung mga puno sa mga gubat, yan yung nagkakaroon ng deforestation, and sa tingin ko din kaya isa rin na dahilan is yung pollution.
Sa tingin ko dahil nag-iinit ang panahon dahil sa ngayon, dahil din nga meron tayong tinatawag na climate change, yung pagbabago ng mga panahon. Meron tag-init, meron din tag-ulan. Minsan sobrang init at minsan sobrang malamig. So sa tingin ko, ang nagiging sanhi nito ay yung pollution dito sa Pilipinas, which is nagmumula sa mga factory workplace and sa mga transportation.
The main greenhouse gas causing the recent climate shift is carbon dioxide. Burning fossil fuels, solid waste, trees, and other biological things releasing carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. It can also come from a specific chemical reaction, including those that produce cement. As part of the carbon cycle, carbon dioxide is naturally absorbed and released through the respiration of plants and animals, volcanic eruption, and the ocean-atmosphere interaction. The Earth's climate is also influenced by natural phenomena like volcanic eruption and variation in the sun's energy. The world's temperature increasing, there is a chance that the sea level will rise. Rising seas are one of those climate change effects. According to Nunez and the National Geographic staff in 2023, average sea levels have risen over 8 inches, about 23 centimeters since 1880, with about 3 of those inches gained in the last 25 years. If humans continue to release greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, ocean might also have a big effect, and it will cause different calamities.
Sustainable Development Goal 13 seek to keep global warming below 2 degrees Celsius by lowering greenhouse gases emissions, strengthening international climate mitigation cooperation, and support the transition to renewable energy.
Climate change.
Climate change. Climate action. Climate action.
Climate change.
Climate action.
In strengthening international effort to combat climate change.
Climate actions is critical for protecting biodiversity, ecosystems, and natural resources while lowering greenhouse gas emissions. In addition, it is important to know how to use our nature correctly so that we can keep our environment friendly and worth living in. As is it important, especially to humanity, to the children, and for later generations.
Kailangan natin
Paaksyonan
Ang
global warming.